This is our peristaltic pump model PP-4 and PP-5. These are offered in DC motor model PP-4 and stepper motor model PP-5. Pump with stepper motor is suitable for applications requiring precise flow control and longer life. Our proprietary stepper motor controller is designed to provide precise control of the pump output. Silicon, Farmed, BPT, Viton, and Norprene tubing can be used with this pump. 3 rollers are standard on this pump. However, pumps with 6 rollers are available for higher precision applications. For more information, please give us a call or visit our website at binacaproducts.com.